Got a really cool rig to show you today. If you don't need a bathroom in your van, this might be the van for you. Let me show you. Welcome to the Scope by Thor. Let me give you a quick tour outside. This is on a Ram Promaster 1500 window van chassis. This thing is cool. Let me show you outside quick and let's jump inside. We got some outside outlets here, cool. Opening window, even though it's an automotive glass van. Up here is cool, sky bunk. See that? That means this is a pop top, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, bring the grandkids and put them upstairs. Super cool. Nice wide running board. 1500 Ram Promaster, 6-cylinder. Gasoline engine. I have the same problem with mine. This one's going for 75 grand here at Mesa RV. And pretty standard around here. This is where your gasoline goes. This is cable TV, your 30 amp service, propane down below, sewer hose, gray water only, cassette toilet. Interrupting our exterior tour. When I introed the Scope, this is the 18T floor plan, and it does not have a toilet. Maybe that's why it's got a T in the floor plan name. But curiously here, we see a cutout for a cassette toilet. What Thor has done here is they put a little cubby in the back of the van to put a portable, literally a porta potty sized portable toilet in the back. It goes under the bed, and it is accessible, weirdly, by opening up the cargo doors from the outside. Yeah. A couple of things this does not have. There is no hot water on this, this van. There is solar, but it's meant to kind of trickle charge the coach house batteries when it is not being used. But you do not actually run and charge appliances from a solar array. It just tops off if the van is parked and you're only using it, for example, on the weekends. Regarding the pop top, there are lights and there are USB sockets and 3 windows that open with screens so you can vent those very easily, but there is no AC or heat ducted up to the pop top area. Also, if you're optioning not to have the pop top on the 18T, instead of the air conditioner that you'll see when we get inside, it has more galley drawers where the AC cabinet is that you'll see, and would have a traditional rooftop AC. So just want to call those out because I was kind of tripped up by the cassette toilet access panel on the exterior. So just want to point those things out. Let's keep rolling with the tour. Furnace exhaust, water inlet. I'm not sure what that is. Again, automotive glass all the way around, really cool. So again, this is a Scope. Here's the bike rack. Cool. You want to see inside? Yeah, right out of the gate, this is different. It's not a K floor plan on the Travado. It's not a G floor plan. It's like, I don't know, a bed, a kitchenette, and a wardrobe to go. So stepping in, nice open space here, chairs turned around, storage up here. Ooh, somebody squished the sunlight, but this is for the pop-up. This is becoming more and more popular, I would say, where this pops up and then you can put about a queen-size bed up on top for the grandkids. And that seems to work really well for a lot of folks. Here, galley. TV would go here, storage above, very nice. Microwave oven, standard. Again, going for 75 grand here at La Mesa in Albuquerque. Residential faucet, cool. Needs tightening up. That's should go like that. Yeah, that needs some help. Then there's the sink. Goes like that. Dometic 2-burner, awesome. Standard dorm style, Nova Cool. Love Nova Cool. Here's the air conditioner, look at that. So that I've never seen before. Here's an Arctic King in a cabinet, venting to the back. And I've never seen that before. What do you think of that? Probably work really well. Drawer. Oh, so you've got this included. That's cool. Nice. Moving on to the bed. So you swing your TV out and you place it against the cabinetry. 2 seating positions, 2 cups. This bed folds out probably all the way like this, and then you configure the cushion. So this would be a pretty good sized bed. We'll see if we get the specs for you afterwards. But this would be pretty cool. But what you're looking at is the wardrobe. So this cabinet has shelving, cool. Drawers, cool. Full of parts. Huge, ginormous cabinet. Holy cow. Oops. And you'd have a lot. And there's your table. Table goes here. You could put a lot of clothes in that wardrobe. Then sitting here is a little nook with some all your plugs, more drawers. But no bathroom, right? We saw the cassette toilet cutout on the side, but it goes to nowhere. We'll just validate that, but this is the 20T. Ironically, it doesn't stand for toilet because there is none. So no bathroom, so no shower, no toilet, no bathroom sink. If those are not important to you, but space and kind of zooming around town, tailgating maybe, this might be a van for you. On the shorter length Ram Promaster, which a lot of people like the shorter ones, more maneuverable, more nimble, fit into any parking space for sure. This one's pretty cool. What do you think? If you enjoyed this, give that a thumb up. Sure appreciate that. Comment below. This rig interesting to you or not? Do you need a bathroom of any type? Toilet, shower in your rig? Some don't. And subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of van tours here. We take you a lot of cool places. Just finishing up Route 66 Chicago to LA. So you don't want to miss a single video. Subscribe, click the notification bell so you see every video we put out on places, van life, van tours. And while I don't see the specifications listing, this is going for 75 grand at La Mesa RV in Albuquerque. I'll put the manufacturer photographs and specifications at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. Cool rig though, right? Very different. Just want to introduce you to Stacey Smith here at Albuquerque, La Mesa. Just an amazing guy. Really focused on Class Bs, right? That's your forte?
Yeah, I like the Class Bs. Get people out there having fun.
What's the best way to get in touch with you and find out what you actually have in inventory?
Yeah, you can call the store here. You can call me on my cell phone, 505-697-2564. And yeah, I'm pretty easy to get a hold of.
He's really been very gracious to let us access some of these vans. So a big thumb up for giving us some time. And if you're curious about vans, and a lot of people are, hit up Stacey because he'll hook you up.
Right on. Thank you for that.
And his information is down below.